Hi everyone, it's Saturday and I'm out in the forest in my rainwear, in my Rukka rainwear and a southwester. I have some more rainwear in my bag actually as well. Today I just wanted to make a video of me walking around the forest like this. I picked some berries. It's a very nice rainwear to have on a wet day like this. It's pouring here. This is Norway, by the way. If you don't know where I'm from, it's Norway. So right now I'm in eastern part of Norway and just walking around the forest. So everyone, I really hope that you like my videos. If you have seen this one or any of my others, please follow the channel. If you think this kind of stuff is weird, why do you? It's perfectly normal.